different.
Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance and dance and dance.
Let's jump.
Do you hear it? Did you hear the thing?
Oh, very good.
It's breaking.
Wow. Ooh,
I'm okay.
I know.
Before we moved here, we live in Las Vegas. There's hummingbird all the time.
Like everywhere, like 100 million bazillion.
Not that much, but I see it on the when I do the dishes. It's just like hummingbird like that. When I'm doing the dishes and I'm looking at the window, and then the hummingbird is flying like this.
Hovering right by the window.
By the window.
Something really funny happened.
What is it?
Like a few years ago, like many years ago at my house, there was a bird trying to get in my house by my parents' window.
Bird?
Oh,
It was trying to get in my house.
I had one in my parents' house once.
What, a bird?
It was like pet, 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 wasn't speak to the like,
You got in the house?
In the window?
It was trying to.
Oh, we had one actually got in our living room.
What?
Yeah, I was still a kid, but I had a camera and I took pictures of them in the house. I don't think I have those anymore.
I saw 2 dragonflies going that way, and there's another one up there. Hey, there's one.
They're
Now
flying,
there's one.
they're flying high so they cannot be seen. They're
Oh, I
like
can't see.
stealth.
So fast.
There goes some birds.
Oh, wow. Ooh, ooh.
Having fun.
Oh, it's gonna come back
Another
here.
one.
Oh.
Now there's 3.
There's
I saw.
more.
Wow.
There's a bunch of them.
I saw more than that many birds. Oh, look at that.
There's more in there. There's more in there.
Wow.
There's
I
more-
never seen that many.
There's more in there. Look.
Wow.
Ooh. Oh no, they're just changing position.
Oh, this is awesome. On football day,
Oh, one's coming this way.
Miss Austin and my sister gave us a football snack, and I got up on my shirt. I meant to hug her and see her message in the wild. Because she is. There's so many. Whoa.
You wait until they all fly.
If one flies, they all fly.